Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving on I-65 North in Autauga County, Alabama. We're near Pine Level, one of 3 unincorporated communities of that name in the state of Alabama. This Pine Level had a population of 4,183 as of the 2010 census. In our last video, we completely missed the crossing of the Autauga County line, which was a few miles back. Autauga County is part of the Montgomery Metropolitan Statistical Area and had an estimated population of 55,869 as of 2019. Autauga County is home to several parks such as Wilderness Park, Cooters Pond Park, Pratt Park, Swift Creek Park, Newton Park, Spinners Park, Heritage Park, and Overlook Memorial Park. American singer and songwriter Wilson Pickett was born in Prattville, the county seat of Autauga County, in 1941. Pickett was best known for his hit songs In the Midnight Hour, Mustang Sally, and Funky Broadway. And I predict that our friend Richard Felstead down in Australia will post links to some of these songs in the comments. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Chilton County, which had an estimated population of 44,428 as of 2019. Chilton County was named not for singer, guitarist, record producer Alex Chilton, best known as lead singer of the 60s group The Box Tops. No, he had absolutely no connection with Chilton County or even the state of Alabama as far as I can tell. Chilton County was actually named in honor of William Parrish Chilton Sr., who was a Chief Justice of the Alabama Supreme Court and a congressman in the mid-1800s. The county is known for its peaches and its unique landscape. It is home to swamps, prairies, and mountains due to the foothills of the Appalachians which end in the county, the Coosa River Basin, and its proximity to the Black Belt Prairie, which was long a center of cotton production. Chilton County is included in the Birmingham-Hoover, Alabama Metropolitan Statistical Area. We enter the city of Clanton, the county seat of Chilton County. Note that at exit 205, this is the third crossing of U.S. Highway 31. The town was founded by Alfred Baker in 1868 when Chilton County was formed. Baker was also elected first mayor of the town. Prior to establishment in 1868, the town of Clanton was known as the community of Goose Pond. Clanton was named in honor of General James H. Clanton, a brigadier in the Confederate States Army, and was incorporated on April 23, 1873. Clanton has hosted the annual Chilton County Peach Festival since 1952. We conclude today's video at exit 208. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.